Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tighten your Toyota Corolla handbrake. First, gather your tools like a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a basic socket set. Safety is paramount, so ensure you're on a level surface and the car is securely supported. You'll be working near the rear wheels, so proper preparation makes the job much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Begin by safely lifting the rear of your Corolla using a jack and securing it firmly with jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Next, remove the rear wheels to gain clear access to the brake assembly. You'll be looking for the handbrake cable, which typically connects to the rear brake calipers or drums. Once you've located the adjustment point, usually a nut on the handbrake cable, turn it clockwise a few clicks at a time. This action will gradually tighten the cable. After each small adjustment, test the handbrake lever inside the car to feel the tension. Aim for a firm engagement after about 3 to 5 clicks of the lever. Make sure both rear brakes are adjusted evenly. With the adjustment complete, reinstall your rear wheels and carefully lower the vehicle back to the ground. Before driving, perform a final test of the handbrake on a level surface to confirm it holds the car securely. This ensures your handbrake is functioning correctly and safely. Before you go, remember to check the video description. You'll find a link there for some fantastic deals, including those incredibly durable darn tough socks with their lifetime warranty. They're truly worth it, and you might discover other useful items too. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.